Hello everybody. Once again I am here with you for the another topic and that is related with the logic gates unit number 2 and already we have seen what is mean by as an basic gate in which we have seen NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate and the logics for that also we have seen in detail. Now today we will learn something about the same sort of gates, but somehow it is combination of this and not gate and the or and not gate, and how it becomes to be as an and plus not as an AND gate and or plus not as an not plus or as an gives you a NOR gate. So let's see what is NAND gate and what is NOR gate in this case. So first of all, NAND gate. No doubt it is a combination of these two gates, and already we have seen the two basic gates, that is AND gate as well as the NOT gate is to be there. As we are known that NOT gate is nothing but to be giving you whatever be the input, it is complement invert gate is to be there. So if 0 is the input for the NOT gate, it will give you output as a 1, and if suppose 1 is the input, and it will give you as an 0 as a output. So NOT gate is completely working as a invert gate or complementary is to be there. And here this NAND gate is nothing but to be combination of and the your NOT. And if you look at this case where it is shown here with the symbolical representation, here it is to be AND gate, and in front of it this NOT gate is going to be connected. If you know this AND gate is to be there, we have already seen in the last lecture that what is mean by as an AND gate and how this truth table for that two inputs AND gate is to be there. And as far as the logics are going to be concerned, for the AND gate, when all the inputs are high, output is high, otherwise it is 0. But here this NAND gate is made up of the two gates as shown here with the AND gate and NOT gate. So for AND gate, output is connected to the input of the NOT gate, means whatever be the output of this AND gate, it will go to the NOT gate and result will be like this. So here it is to be as an A and B are supposed the two inputs, then the output will be finally A dot B complement is to be there. So this is how this symbolical representation for this case, it is also symbolically represented with the bubble. So symbolically this NOT gate, sorry, NAND gate is going to be presented like this. Instead of drawing this complete NOT gate, only a bubble indicating that is to be not is to be there. And how this is going to be there, NAND gate is to be symbolically represented. As far as the outputs are, or the whatever be the results or the logics are going to be concerned, so as we know, for the AND gate logic is to be there, when all the inputs are high, output is high. Definitely the NAND gate logic will be reverse to this, because after the AND gate there is a NOT gate. That means this NOT gate completely reversing the results of the AND gate. And if you look at for the AND gate, if we know 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, these are the four probabilities for the any two inputs are to be there. So here if you look at this 0 0, it will give you 1, 0 1 it will be 1, 1 0 it will be 1, 1 1 it will be 0. If you look at for the AND gate was to be the condition where the 0 0 it will give you 0, for the 0 1 it will be 0, 1 0 it will give you 0, and 1 1 it will give you 1. But this is for AND gate, that is to be there. And if you are adding one NOT gate in front of it, it will reverse all that things, and reversing it, it will become like this, that is 1 1 1 and 0 is to be there. So this is how this AND gate and the NOT gate will form as a NAND gate. And then what will be the logic behind it? When all the inputs are high, output is 0, and that means to be it is completely a reverse logic to the AND gate is to be there, because AND gate is what? When all the inputs are high, output is going to be high, otherwise it is 0. But for the NAND gate, what it will become now? When all the inputs are high, output is 0, otherwise it is 1. Or when all the inputs are high, output is low, otherwise it is high. Likewise this. So this is what the NAND gate is meaning to be there, and the logic for this NAND gate is to be there. Now moving a little bit forward, for the another gate that is called as a NOR gate. Here it is also to be in the same fashion. Instead of this AND, there we are using as a OR. Now this OR gate is going to be connected with the NOT gate, and it will become NOR gate, and symbolically represented with the only bubble, and this OR gate is to be there. In front of this OR gate there is a bubble, and that will become to be as a NOR gate. And here again, whatever be the output of the OR gate, that will become input to this NOT gate, and the result will be reverse according to that. So let's see what happens as far as the NOR gate is going to be concerned. As far as the OR gate logic is going to be concerned, when any of the input is high, output will be high. That was the logic for this OR gate is to be there. And the same thing, the NOR gate will be reversed to this. That means any of the input is high, output will be low, or the 0. 0 0, it is giving you high. For the 0 1, it is 0. 1 0, it is 0. 1 1, it is 0. So this is what the case where this NOR gate is going to be working. That means OR gate is going to be added with the NOT gate. Whatever be the output of the OR gate, that will completely reverse, inverted by this NOT gate, and you will get the result in this fashion. And that's why the logic for the NOR gate will be, when all the inputs are high, or any when the all the basically it will become any of the input is high, output is 0, otherwise it is high. And this is what the logic behind this NOR gate, and regarding this truth table is to be there. That means NAND gate is made with the AND gate plus NOT gate, and NOR gate is made with the OR gate plus NOT gate is to be there. So this is all about what is to be as a NAND gate and the NOR gate, how they are called to be as an universal building block, that we will see in the next lecture. Till then, thank you for the joining this session. Be at home and be safe.